Okay guys, I got message from many of you saying I cannot make any sales, I cannot make money with affiliate marketing. And in most of the cases that happens because competition in that niche is too big and it is too strong. Good news is, in today's video, I am going to show you how you can avoid that competition even in highly competitive niches. And that is why it is really important to watch this video very carefully. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Second thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. So let's just say that I'm in weight loss niche. So what I need to do, I need to actually go on Digistore24 marketplace because as far as I know, ClickBank doesn't work in many countries. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use Digistore24. So what I need to do, I need to click here on fitness and health. And here I can get all the weight loss related products. And what happens quite often is that you actually need to go on second, third, fourth, fifth page in order to find good products. So let's just say, for example, I wish to promote this product here, custom keto diet. Now, next thing I need to do, I actually need to find a right keyword. Now, for that, you can use Ahrefs free keyword generator. Now, if you can use paid version of this tool, that is by far best option, but this tool is actually quite expensive. So I'm going to use free option. So here I will simply type keto diet, okay? But here you can see United States. What I wish to do, I actually wish to see how many people search this exact keyword in other countries. So what you need to do, you need to go from one country to another to find the one where this actually has a potential. So for example, let's just say I wish to test, for example, France, okay? I will click here on France. Click here, find keyword, give it a second to confirm that you are human, and look at this, keto diet. Competition only 5, which means there is almost no competition. 8,400 people search this every month in France. And here you can see this is actually on English language, it's not on French language. And so that means that 8,000 people is searching this keyword on English language in France. And here you can see other related keywords. So for example, keto diet avis. I don't know what this is, but look at the competition. Only 3. That means there is almost no competition. 700 people is searching this. So let me just copy this. I don't know what this is. And I'm going to paste that here. Okay. So detect language. Let's just say this is actually French to English. And here you can see keto diet review. Now that is actually a good keyword. Everybody's looking for reviews, right? So what I need to do next, when I have my keyword, as we saw here, competition only 3. That means there is almost no competition. So now I actually need to write an article. So for that I can use ChatGPT. And here you can see I will actually choose human written 100% unique SEO optimized article. I will click here. Now in one of my previous videos, I showed you what Google Chrome extension I'm using to get these tools here. And here I will say, give me clickbait title for this keyword, okay, under quotes, okay. And here I will actually choose French language, okay, French language, and then click here on enter, and now ChatGPT will give me a clickbait title. Now, as I said, clickbait title is really important, and here you can see this is clickbait title. And now here you can see they are actually writing an article in French language targeting this keyword here, okay. This is my main keyword. Here you can see they are writing that article for me. And that is really important. So now when you have your article, now you need to publish this article somewhere. You can publish it on Google sites, you can publish it on System.io, Kartra, or wherever you want. But by far best option is to actually publish this article on your own blog or website. So I will simply copy this because this is my clickbait title. And like I said, click-through rate is important, and that is why you need to use clickbait, okay? And I will actually publish this article on Blogger blog. Blogger is absolutely free. So what you need to do, you simply need to click here on new post, and give it a second. Here I need to add a title. This is my title, and I always suggest to open article with image, so I can click here on by URL, okay? And I can actually go on Google and let's just say, for example, keto diet, okay? Press enter, go on images, and I can find one of these images. Let's just say, for example, this one here. Right click here, and then all you have to do is just copy image link, okay? Go back here on Blogger, paste that here, give it a second, and then click here, select, and I will just leave it as it is, okay? And actually this is on HTML. I will go on compose, and this is the image. Actually it's too small. I will click here, let's just say large, for example, update. Okay, now it is better, right? So next thing I need to do, I actually need to go back here on ChatGPT, and let me just see, okay, it finished my article. So I will simply copy this entire article, Control C, and here I am going to paste that article, okay? And here you can see it pasted that article. And now I need to add my call to action, but I don't speak French. So again, I will simply go back here on Google Translate, and let's just say, get your custom keto diet plan, okay? And I will choose here English to French, and I will simply copy this, go back here, and I'm going to, let's just say, like this, and I will make this to be, let's just say, for example, bold, and I can say, let's just say, for example, large, okay? And now it is large. Now I need to go back here on Digistore 24. I need to copy my affiliate link, my Digistore 24 affiliate link, and I need to click here on this little chain, paste my link here, okay, and click here on apply, and that's it. And when I click here on preview, you can see how this actually looks. So give it a second, and here you can see how this looks. This is my title, this is the image, and this is my article, and here you can see this is my call to action, this is my affiliate link. Because this is a preview, it is not clickable. So what I need to do, I simply need to close this, and all I have to do, just click here on publish. Actually, I made a mistake, sorry about that. Here for label, you need to choose a label, and that should be related to your keyword, to your main keyword. So I can say something like this. I can simply copy my main keyword, and I can paste that here. And also here where it says location, you can add your location. In this case, it would be France, okay? And all you have to do after that, just click here on publish, and then click here confirm, and you will publish this article on your blog. So let me just click here on preview to preview this post now, and here you can see, okay, now this link here, this call to action is clickable. So now when people click here, they will be redirected to my Digistore 24 product, this custom keto diet product, and if they buy that, I can earn on average 31 euros per sale. And actually, when we go back here on Ahrefs keyword tool, like I said, there is almost no competition, but that doesn't mean that you need to do anything else. You actually need to start driving traffic, and you need to start building backlinks to your blog article in this case, okay? And the best way to do that is to actually start sharing this article in related Facebook groups. Also share that article on Twitter, and you can pay people, and you can actually hire people on AdMeFast to give you retweets, and in that way you will get traffic, and also you will get backlink. Also, you can share that on Pinterest. Again, same thing, you can go on AdMeFast and you can give credits, free credits to the people who will give you repins, and in that way you will reach more people and get more backlinks. Also, what you can do is you can simply go here on Google and search for related forums. In this case, it is ketogenic forums. Of course, you will search something related to your niche. And here you can see Google gave me a list of keto related forums. Also, another place, you can simply go again on Google, and here you can search for blog and then keto diet in this case. And here you can see keto related blogs. So for example, let's just say Keto India. Okay, let me just open this in new tab, And let's just choose one of these. Let's just say this first one here, just to show you how to make backlinks. And when I scroll down on the bottom here, here you can see, here you can leave your comment. Make your comment something related to the post that you're commenting. And here you can see you can add your name, your email. You can add any name and any email. Doesn't have to be your name and your email. And here where it says website, you need to add a link to your own website. Copy this link here and then simply paste that link here, okay? And then just click here on post a comment, and your comment will be posted and you will actually get a backlink. And then just simply close this and do exactly the same thing now on all of these blogs here. Start commenting, start building backlinks. Also, build backlinks from Instagram, from TikTok, from Tumblr, from all over the places. Wherever you can, build backlinks, as many backlinks as you can, and your article will rank on first page on Google, and you will start getting free targeted traffic from Google. And actually, when we go back here you can see this is actually on French. Some of the French, part of the French, part on English. And this article here is on French. Our article is on French, and that means that actually we will reach people who live in Algeria, in Tunisia, and other countries where French is also official language. And you will reach even more people than these 700. You will probably reach 5,000 or 6,000 people, and you will start getting targeted free traffic without competition. As you can see here, there is almost no competition, and you can start publishing articles targeting more of these keywords and also more of the countries. And trust me guys, you will start getting targeted free traffic, you will start making sales, you will start making money with Digistore 24 affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2023. That's it for today guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.